take. What is the lesson name? Give and take. In mathematical term, we have to tell in another meaning. In addition and subtraction. In mathematical term, we have to tell addition and subtraction. See, next we are going to see what is meant by addition. Addition means, see, 22 plus 3. If we add 22 plus 3, we will get 25. If we subtract 66 minus 55, we will get 6 minus 5, 1. Again 6 minus 5, 1. So, addition means we want to add, subtraction means we want to subtract. And one more topic also is here. See, plus. If it is plus sign, it will comes after equal, it will change into minus sign. Next, the minus sign after equal to, it will change into plus sign. If we consider any number, consider the plus 5. If it comes after equal to, it will become minus 5. Next, minus 5. Then here it will come, that is 5. If we did not mention any sign before the number, you consider the plus sign. You consider the plus sign. See, now look at the number 22 plus 3, that is equal to 25. Now, see, next 22 plus the sum number, 22 plus sum number, that is equal to 25. But we have to find out the number. By using 22 and 25 only, we have to find out the number. See, if we already I told, if we did not mention any sign, you consider it as a plus sign. Now the plus 22 comes here, it will become minus 22. After equal, it will comes, it becomes minus 22. So 25 minus 22. What is the answer? 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the number? 3. So 22 plus 3, that is equal to 25. Next, you consider 66 minus 55, that is equal to 11. Here also, we have to find out the number. See, here also plus 66, that plus 66 comes this side, it will become minus 66. Minus 66. In subtraction, we have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number. So, first you write 66, next you write 11. If we subtract 6 minus 1, 5. Here also 6 minus 1, 5. So, what is the answer? 55. So, 66 minus 55, that is equal to 11. Next, look at keywords for addition and subtraction. Keywords that is useful for wording problems. It is useful for wording problems. For keywords for addition, this one is for addition. And this one for subtraction. What are the sum? Sum means addition. Altogether or together. Next, total. Fourth one, add. Fifth one, more. Sixth one, increased by. Seventh one, in all. These 7 are keywords for addition. Next, keywords for subtraction. Sum, less, reducing, take away, remaining, decreased by, remove, minus. See, these 8 words are keywords for subtraction. Now, open your book, I explain them. See, lesson name, third lesson, give and take. I am Kittu. This is my home. See, it is Kittu. This is his home. Isn't it huge? It has 100 rooms. Help me in painting some of the rooms. See how it has how many rooms? 100 rooms. Help me in painting some of the rooms. See, he is a kid 2. Now we are going to help to the kid 2 to painting the rooms. How many rooms are there? Totally 100 rooms. See, I start from room 2. See, I start from room 2. I add 10 to 2. See, I add 10 to 2 to reach room 12. See, I add 10 to 2. So, 10 to 2 means 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2, that is equal to 12. So, I reach room number 12 and paint it. To add 10 to 2, we can go all the way to the right to 10. Then up to 11. And one step right to 12. See, if we go in this way, otherwise we will go in shortcut. How many jump? Only one jump. Next, this is one way to go from 2 to 12. Is there any shortcut? Is there a shortcut? Of course. Follow me. We can jump up one row. A jump from 2 to 12 is like taking how many steps? Only one steps. Only 2 because 2 top the only 12. So only one steps here. Next page. Now try one jump up from 14. 14 plus 10 we will get 24. So 24 also we have to color here. Here where is 24? Here 24. 24 also you shade that. Next. How will I go from 22 to 41? Jump from 20 to 42. The one step, then one step left. We can write it like this. See, 22 plus 20, we will get 42. 42 minus 1, that is equal to 41. See, we have to 2 steps. 22 minus 22 into 32, that is one step. 32 to 42, that is one step. 42 to 41, that is 3 steps. So in shortcut, how many steps? Only 3 steps. They ask, how many steps did I go in all? Did I go in all means, see, where is the number 22? Start from 22 to and then 41. We have to go in the, there is no shortcut. We have to go in all the way. See, 22 to 23, that is one step, 2 step, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So totally how many steps? 20 steps. So here you write how many steps did I go in all the numbers. To the all the numbers means 20 steps. You could also go in this way. From 22 take one step left to 21. One step left to 21. Then 2 jumps up to 41. 22 minus 1, that is equal to 22. 21 plus 20, that is equal to 41. Here also in shortcut 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. Here also 3 jumps. Next, find my food. Try these on Kittu's home. Try these on Kittu's home. Kittu's home. Hey, I have something more interesting for you. Ma told me there are sweets to eat in some rooms. Help me find that room. The answers from the next page will help you to find that room. Mark them in my home. See, Kittu means aunt. Aunt will like only sweets. So his mom told there are sweets to eat in some rooms. Help me to find the sweets in Kittu's home. See, 10 less than 34. 10 less than 34. Less than means what? Subtraction. So 34 minus 10. 4 minus 0. 4. 3 minus 2, 2. So 24. Next 53 minus 20. 53 minus 20. 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. The same number. So 33. 11 more than 31 is. More than means addition. More than means addition. 31 plus 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 3 plus 1, 4. So 42. Next 11 less than 66. Less than means subtraction. 66 minus 11. 6 minus 1, 5. Here also 6 minus 1, 5. So the answer is 55. 62 plus 3. We have to add that. 2 plus 3, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 23 less than 89. See, first we have to write the bigger number. Next we have to write smaller number. 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 2, 6. So 66. 10 and 40 more is. 10 and 40 more is. More means we have to add. 10 plus 40, that is equal to 50. 9 added to 28 gives. 9 added to 28. If we add 28 to 9, we will get 8 plus 9, 17. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So totally 37. The sum of 9 and 44. Already I said sum means addition. Sum of 44 plus 9. See, 44 plus 9. 9 plus 4 plus 9. 13. Carry 1. 4 plus 1. 5. So 53. Reducing 98 by 34. Reducing means subtraction. So 98 minus 34. 8 minus 4, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. So 64. 4 and 37 more is. More means addition. 37 plus 4. 7 plus 4. 11. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 41. Next, take 35 away from 83. See, take away means subtraction. So, 83 minus 35. See, 3 minus 5 is not possible. So, we have to borrow. Here it will become 7. Here it will become 13. So, 13 minus 5, that is 8. Here 7 minus 3. That is 4. So 48. See, what are the numbers? 24 and then 33. Next 42. Here 55. 75. Next 66. 50. 37. 53. 64, 41 and then 48. What is in these rooms? There are sweets in the rooms. Next, see example 47, that is equal to 37 plus 10, 47 we will get. Next 37 plus 9 we have to add. 37 plus 9, 7 plus 9, 16. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. So totally 46. Next 65 minus 30. 65 minus 30. 5 minus 0, the same number will come. 6 minus 3, 3. So what is the number? 35. Next, see 46 plus 21. We have to add 46 plus 21. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. So totally 67. Next, 87 minus 30. 87 minus 30. See, 7 minus 0, the same number. 7. 8 minus 3, that is 5. So 57. Next, here look at here. 66 minus some that is equal to 11. Already I explained in the board. If it is come this side, it will become minus. So 66 minus 11, that is equal to 6 minus 1 5, again 6 minus 1 5. So 55. 66 minus 55, that is equal to 11. Next, middle of the number we have to find out. So we have to subtract this. 99 minus 45. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. So what is the number? 54. Next, 26, 75. If it is come this side, it will become 26. 5 minus 6 is not possible. So we have to borrow. Here it will become 6. Here it will become 15. 15 minus 6, that is 9. Here 6 minus 2, 4. So what is the number? Next, see, some number minus 21, that is equal to 35. If it is come this side, it will become plus 21. See here minus 21. If it is come this side, that is plus 21. 5 minus 1, 6. See, sorry, 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. So 56 minus 21, that is equal to 35. Next, look at here. 36. 9 plus some number, that is equal to 36. Here plus sign, come this side, it will become minus. 6 minus 9, it is not possible, so we have to borrow. Here it will become 2, here it will become 16. So 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7. 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7. 2 will come. So 27 plus 9, that is equal to 36. Next, 40. 40 plus some number, that is equal to 76. See, 40 come this side, it will become minus 40. 6 minus 0, 6. 7 minus 4, 3. So 36. Next, 50 plus some number, that is equal to 9. Now 50, it will come this side, it will become minus 50. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. So what is the number? 48. Next, see, 57 minus some number, that is equal to 20. So we have to find out the number. If we come this side, plus 20, plus 57, that is minus 57. Minus means we want to write a bigger number first, then only we have to write smaller number. So 57 minus 20. 7 minus 0, 7. 5 minus 2, 3. So 37. Thank you, students.